How's it going, everyone? I'm Gamer Tutorials, and today I'm going to be providing you with a really awesome tutorial on how to easily mod Grand Theft Auto 5 online on a retail console. What you're going to want to go ahead and do is make sure you have an internet cable between your Xbox 360 console and your computer, and you're going to want to go ahead and download the program I have provided for you in the description. It is a server, and this will allow you to do the mod, and I will explain it shortly. Now you're going to want to go ahead and go to your network connections, go to the connection that you're getting your internet from, and then go to the properties, go to sharing, and make sure that both of those boxes are clicked. Once they're clicked, that's pretty much it for the network connections. Make sure you do not bridge connections. Bridging connections will not work for this mod. Alright, the next thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is go to your host file. So go to Windows, C drive, System32, and you're going to want to go to drivers, etc, and then you will see a host file. Now just go ahead and open that file up in any program you find suitable, and you're going to want to add your local IP, a space, followed by Rockstar's server address. So if you want your local IP, you're just going to want to go ahead and boot up command prompt, type in ipconfig, and then scroll up a little and you should see IPv4, and that is your IP address. Now as you can see here, mine is 192.168.1.122. Now guys, do not mistake me, this is a local IP, not an external IP, so you'll probably get what I mean later on. This pretty much means that it's only for my computer, not my network. So just go ahead and paste that in there, and then space, and then the server address. Now I personally don't like to use Notepad because it seems to always add like a .txt file extension at the end. So I use this program called Sublime, and just go ahead and add the same thing in there, and just go ahead and add 192.168.1.122. That's just from me, guys. You have your very own IPv4 address, and then add the server address. Now once that's all set up, you're just going to want to go ahead and open the server folder and right click on that and run it as an admin. I've already run it as an admin, so I don't have to. And guys, you're going to want to make sure you have Skype closed down because this program requires port 80. So right here you see port 80. You're just going to want to make sure it says port 80. Change it to whatever from whatever you have and put port 80. And you're going to want to boot up the Apache server. Now you're going to also want to make sure that your router has port 80 forwarded to your IP address. So just go ahead and port forward that to your local IP. Now what you're going to want to go ahead and do is edit the tunables. So just go ahead and open up the root directory of that server and go all the way in there until you find the tunables.json file, or .json, or whatever it's called. And now what you're going to want to go ahead and do is edit anything you want here. So the cache multiplier, the XP multiplier, and guys, please do not go too far on that XP multiplier. I went way too ham on that XP multiplier, and I destroyed my account. I couldn't play the game. I deleted all my characters. I still couldn't play the game. The only way I fixed it was I had to unlink my Rockstar Social Club account. So please guys, do not go through the trouble I had to go through. So just go ahead and edit anything you want here. You can edit the values of the bad sport lobby so you never have to go in there. You can edit the cost of vehicles. You can edit anything. Once that's all set up, you're just going to want to go ahead and save it and boot up your console. Now boot up GTA 5 online, and whatever changes you made in there, I will include a pre-modded one with certain values, but cache and stuff, you're going to want to change that yourself. As you can see here, I have Godmode. I will include that in the description. That will be in the download. I have unlimited money. I have, the ability to give people unlimited money and that kind of thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe, and I will make sure to see you guys in the next video. Thanks.
Some other time.